Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Phone Flicks. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the highly anticipated iPhone 15 Pro Max for the year 2023. Apple has been revolutionizing the smartphone industry for years, and with each new release, they raise the bar even higher. So, let's dive into what we can expect from the iPhone 15 Pro Max and how it's shaping the future of smartphones. As we step into the future, Apple continues to push the boundaries of smartphone technology. The iPhone 15 Pro Max promises to deliver an extraordinary user experience like never before. From design and display to performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and connectivity, this device is packed with exciting features. So, let's jump right in and explore them all. Feature 1: Design and Display. Apple has always been known for its sleek and stylish designs, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is no exception. The device features a stunning edge-to-edge display with minimal bezels, maximizing the screen real estate. The larger display size ensures you can enjoy your content with more clarity and detail, immersing you in a visual experience like never before. With a beautiful and ergonomic design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max feels great in hand and showcases Apple's commitment to aesthetics and user comfort. Feature 2: Performance. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by the latest and most powerful A-series chip, specially designed by Apple. This chip ensures lightning-fast performance, seamless multitasking, and an overall smoother user interface. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running resource-intensive apps, this device will handle it all effortlessly, providing you with a seamless and lag-free experience. Feature 3: Camera. Apple is renowned for its exceptional camera technology, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max takes it even further. The device features an advanced camera system with upgraded sensors, enhanced low-light capabilities, and improved optical zoom. Capture breathtaking photos and videos with incredible detail and vibrant colors. The built-in image processing capabilities and the power of computational photography will allow you to unleash your creativity and capture professional-grade shots with ease. Feature 4: Battery life. One of the most crucial aspects of any smartphone is its battery life. With the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can bid farewell to battery anxiety. Apple has engineered a more efficient battery that provides all-day usage, even with heavy usage patterns. The device optimizes power consumption and utilizes smart battery management to ensure you can use your phone throughout the day without constantly worrying about finding a charger. And when it's time to recharge, the iPhone 15 Pro Max supports faster charging capabilities, so you'll spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. Feature 5: Software and Connectivity. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes preloaded with the latest iOS, packed with new features and enhancements. Apple continues to prioritize user privacy and security, ensuring your data is protected. The device supports lightning-fast 5G connectivity, allowing you to browse, stream, and download at unprecedented speeds. With improved connectivity, you can stay connected with friends, family, and the world, no matter where you are. Feature 6: Augmented Reality (AR). Apple has been at the forefront of augmented reality, AR innovation, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max takes this technology to new heights. The device is equipped with advanced AR capabilities, making it easier than ever to experience virtual objects and immersive AR content. From gaming and entertainment to education and productivity, AR opens up a world of possibilities, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max ensures you can dive into this exciting realm effortlessly. Feature 7: Privacy and Security. With every new release, Apple reinforces its commitment to user privacy and security. The iPhone 15 Pro Max continues this legacy by introducing enhanced privacy features. From secure facial recognition to advanced encryption and control over app permissions, Apple prioritizes your data protection and ensures that your personal information stays private and secure. Conclusion: the iPhone 15 Pro Max is undeniably a game-changer, combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek and elegant design. With its immersive display, powerful performance, incredible camera capabilities, extended battery life, advanced connectivity, augmented reality features, and enhanced privacy and security, it's set to redefine the smartphone experience in 2023. So, what are your thoughts on the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Are you excited about its release? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting tech innovations. Until then, take care and stay curious.